Fred, as I understand, you successfully defended, basically led litigation against AT&T, so have a background in IP litigation. We've been talking, I think, in this panel and previously about some of the various rights that artists have and film producers, et cetera, have. But how would you kind of break this down into, for example, defending copyrights versus patents versus other intellectual property? What are kind of some of the finer points you see around, let's say, subcategories of how AI can create some problematic areas as relates to the law?
Yes, to paraphrase one of the other panelists, referring to AI being a wholesale theft of people's intellectual property. That is going on. Basically, as we know, AI, the large language model, they just scrape everything out there that they can find, put it in a database, and when you ask for a chicken recipe, or you ask for a song, or you ask for an invention, they're going to scroll through things that are already there, and they're not going to create anything new, but it's going to absolutely scrape someone's musical composition, someone's visual art, someone's play, someone's movie, someone's invention. Now, one of the things you have to think about when you think about litigation is the litigation has to be worthwhile. You're not going to do what one artist did pre-AI days. They sued a mother because the toddler was bouncing up and down to this artist's song and putting it on YouTube. There's not much money in that, and I don't think if you wanted me to file a lawsuit on that, it's not going to be worth your while financially. But the thing you want to think about as far as going against the wholesale ripoff of intellectual property in AI, and chatbots, and large language models is that suing for copyright infringement is one thing that you can do. And also there are patents involved. And if you just go by yourself and try to fund the litigation yourself and try to go against the big people, going against the big people takes a lot of work and a big team and a lot of risk, and they have the power to defend themselves quite well. But if you use funds, financial funds that have a portfolio of works, portfolio of copyrights, portfolio of patents, and also microchip designs, you can leverage the financial weight you have with a fund. And my understanding that ChainBLX is one of those funds that could accomplish that. And I think that you should think about leveraging the finance there that you can find through a fund.